Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write an asylum visa application letter. This letter is a formal document that requests asylum in a new country due to persecution, threats, or danger in your home country. You should begin your asylum application letter by providing your full name, address, city, country, email, phone number, and the date at the top. Next, address the letter to the appropriate immigration office, including the department's name and official address. Use a clear subject line, such as application for asylum, to indicate the purpose of your letter. Finally, start with a respectful salutation, addressing the immigration officer by name if possible. After that, write, "I am writing to formally request asylum in country, due to the ongoing threats and persecution I have faced in my home country, your country. Due to my political affiliation, religion, ethnicity, other reason, I have been subjected to continuous harassment and life-threatening situations, making it impossible for me to return safely. My experiences include briefly describe incidents, threats, or attacks which have left me in fear for my life and well-being. Given these circumstances, I humbly request the opportunity to seek refuge and legal protection in country. I am prepared to provide any supporting documents or evidence to substantiate my claim and comply with all required procedures. I deeply appreciate your time and consideration in reviewing my case. Please let me know if any further information is needed. Sincerely, your full name." Here's our sample asylum visa application letter. You'll notice how it clearly presents your reasons for seeking asylum, explaining the dangers and persecution you face in your home country. The letter outlines your personal circumstances, supporting evidence, and the urgent need for protection. By following this format step by step, you can create a well-structured and compelling application that strengthens your case. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on drafting effective visa and immigration documents.